We are doing the 9th Maths Lab activity of class 9. It is the angles in the same segment of the circle. The objective of the activity is to verify that the angles in the same segment of a circle are equal using the method of cutting, pasting and folding. The prerequisite knowledge for this is the geometrical meaning of segment of a circle. The material required is again the same. We need the compass, pencil or the pen, then the origami sheets, fevicol or any other adhesive, the ruler, and the scissors. So this is all we need. Let me explain the activity to you.
To do the activity, I have taken two circles, two identical circles. I just place them one over the other and I simply fold them so that I am able to get a crease. Now this crease gives me a chord. You can see a chord has been formed. So I make a chord first of all in both the circles, identical circles. Now once again I fold them to get two identical points more. So I mark these 2 points. So I'm marking these 2 points on the two circles. I paste the circle on the rectangular sheet. Now this chord is dividing the circle into two parts, and what is each part called? Each part is called the segment. The smaller one is called the minor segment and the bigger one is called the major segment. We need to prove that the angles subtended by the chord in the same segments are equal. That means if I take 2 points in this segment, let's say I'm taking point P and point Q, and this is, let's say, point A and this is point B. So I need to prove that the angle subtended by the chord at 2 points in the same segment. So angle APQB and angle AQB, they both are going to be equal. APB, and I also join AQ and BQ also the same way. So this becomes the first figure, and I need to prove that angle APB will be equal to angle AQB. So I've made another identical figure, the same as this one. So what I do now is I cut out this angle APB and I will show that it will completely overlap angle AQB. So let us try to do that now. With P as center, I have made an arc and cut out the sector that has been made. So I have cut it out like this, and I paste the complete thing once again. Let me do the labeling of the figure. This was point A, this was B, this was P, and this was Q. So this was angle P. So I mark out angle P over here and I pick it up. I place it over Q and you can see that it completely overlaps angle Q. I'll just invert it so that it is clearly visible to you. You can see that it completely overlaps angle Q. So I can say that this P angle is equal to angle Q. Hence it proves that angles in the same segment are equal.
So the activity has been written here, what all we have done. This is the pasting work. We have first taken the circle, then we folded it to get a crease and mark point A and B. We've taken any 2 points on this circle, P and Q. I have joined AP, BP and AQ and BQ. So I've got angle APB and AQB as the two angles subtended by this arc AB in one segment. And I have now cut out the sector from angle P. This is the sector that has been cut out, and I've inverted and pasted it on angle Q. And I can see that it is completely overlapping this this angle Q. So let us see the observations now. APB and AQB are the angles in the same segment. We've seen that APB covers exactly angle AQB. Therefore, angle APB is equal to angle AQB. The learning outcome is that the students are able to find out angles in the same segment are always equal. So they're able to get more familiar with the theorem through this activity. So I hope it is very clear to you. See the video once again to understand better. Thank you so much.